A Cybertruck owner attempted to transport a 2,400-pound Wacken electric mini-loader in a Cybertruck's bed, exceeding the vehicle's 2,500-pound payload limit by about 100 pounds, when including the ramp, triggering an on-board warning to prevent suspension or structural damage. The warning indicates the adaptive air suspension system has detected the overload, a feature designed to protect the vehicle by adjusting ride height and stiffness. The loader has its bucket raised and is positioned at an angle, partially extending over the tailgate. The video humorously highlights real-world constraints of EV trucks. While the Cybertruck's rugged design and high payload capacity are impressive, exceeding limits triggers safety protocols, prompting the switch to a trailer. In the end, they had to abort due to exceeded weight limit with the beefed-up ramps.